Never have I ever TikTok edition. Put a finger down if you scroll through TikTok for 24 or more hours of the day. Put a finger down if you uncontrollably quote TikToks to people who have no idea what you're talking about. Put a finger down if your body just randomly starts doing TikTok dances and you have absolutely no control over it. Put a finger down if scrolling through TikToks is the highlight of your day. Put a finger down if you've sprained one of your thumbs from scrolling through TikTok for so long. Put a finger down if you have actually answered yes to all of these questions, because that means that you need to get a life. What's up, you guys? It's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing my favorite thing in life to do, making shit. So on today's episode of Making Shit with Hannah, we are going to be trying and testing out some clothing DIYs that I saw on TikTok. I just don't know if I even need to say this next part because I feel like it goes without saying, but I'm gonna say it anyways. I've been spending an astronomically large amount of time on TikTok. I can't stop quoting TikToks. I can't stop doing the little dances. I can't stop singing the songs. I can't stop. I'm sorry. I can't stop. And it's probably because I am in a state of a bit of an existential crisis, just like everyone else is. So, but I decided for today's video that I wanted to put my addiction— no, I wouldn't even go that far. That's a bit extra. That's a bit extreme. I basically wanted to put my time on TikTok to good use. I have selected 3 TikToks that I am going to be trying to follow these DIYs that they're doing. They all seem very simple. And that's another reason why I wanted to do this, because first of all, I love DIYs, but supplies may be limited. So that's another reason why I picked these specific ones, because they are all able to be done with things around your house. I am going to do these in order from like the easiest thing, like the most simple basic one is going to be first, and then the second one is going to be kind of a little bit more involved but really not, and then the last one is probably going to be the most involved just because it's going to take more time for the whole process than the other 2. That's pretty much what we're going to be doing. I'm excited. I hope that these things turn out cute, because I have been like in this mode recently where I've been trying to accumulate all of these different, you know, outfits and new clothes and stuff for when quarantine is over and I can go out again.
I need to know what's going on. If you work at the fucking Pentagon, let a bitch know. I want to get dressed up. I want to put my fucking expensive outfits, and I want to go fucking out. And I can't.
If this stuff turns out cute, you know, maybe I could wear it outside of my house. That would be crazy. I've been very low energy lately. I'm not even gonna lie, because life just feels very weird right now, and also school has been overwhelming, to say the least. Like, that's literally the understatement of the century, that school has been overwhelming. This coming week, this is besides the point of this video, but I thought I would throw it in there just to kind of explain why I am acting the way that I am. I'm really stressed because I have 3 exams, a quiz, a paper to write, a semester project for one of my classes, which is a video, and I have some other things that I have to do, and my birthday is on Friday, so by the time you see this video, my birthday will have passed, but my birthday's on April 24th, so I'm turning 21. I've been really overwhelmed, so I really hope that this is a time that we can just, you know, breathe for a second and let our creativity flow and just have some fun together. So, and why am I still talking? Without further ado, let's just get into this video. I am going to put up the first TikTok that we're going to be following on the screen right now for you guys.
So first step is to grab a loose tank top. Okay, so then it looks like this in the front and this in the back. And then here's what the back looks like.
This is a TikTok that I've seen a million times, and I've seen so many people duet this and try it with their own stuff. So, you know, I've just been curious. I'm like, well, I want to try it. So we are going to move over to my little craft table over here that I bought from Walmart a while ago for like probably less than $20. We're going to get out our supplies and we're going to get to it. Literally all you have to do is draw lines and cut. That's it. I don't know how I could mess this up, but I'm not even going to say that because you never know. All right, welcome. What we are going to need for this one is, first and foremost, an old tank top. This one was my mom's that she graciously donated to me for this video. Thank you, mother. Love you very much. And then you're just gonna need something with a straight edge. So I'm just gonna use this notebook, and then just a Sharpie. And then lastly, a pair of scissors. I always use fabric scissors when I'm cutting fabric. I got those ones at Hobby Lobby for like 10 bucks. They were on sale. That's literally all that we need. So let's pull up the TikTok and begin.
Your Sharpie and make a line of how short you want your front to be.
All right, I'll do it here. It's not gonna be even. Hopefully that's okay. This is like pretty f***ing short.
Okay, now you're gonna want to cut this side and this side, but only to the line.
Okay. I just realized that this girl's username is thatvegan69 and I have to stan. I'm not gonna lie.
You want to cut across this line.
Great. So now we took that off. Holy shit, that is really short. Whoops.
And you're going to want to flip it over and make a line down the middle with your straight edge.
Flip it over. Make a line down the middle. Is that even the middle? Who knows?
And then you're going to want to cut this line, but not the front. Only do it on this layer.
Simple enough. Thank you, my queen.
Now let's try it on.
Wait, this is it? Oh my god. I just feel like that's really short. Okay, that's it. Now let's try it on. Last one turned out better than I thought it was going to, so let's keep it rolling and we're gonna get into the second one. So this is the video that I'm going to be following.
Okay, I'm pretty sure everyone has seen the TikTok where you take saran wrap, put it around some pictures, and then slap it on some shirts, and I want to know if it actually works or not.
Pretty much, we are going to be trying to put a picture onto a shirt using just like the cling wrap that you use like in your kitchen, and also some parchment paper, which you also use like for baking and stuff. So I'm really curious to see if this is gonna work. In that TikTok that I showed you, he actually made another one kind of as a follow-up and showed what happened to the shirt after he put it through the wash, and he washed it and dried it, and like the picture was like all torn up. So I'm assuming that because we're not actually using transfer paper, like we're literally just somehow adhering a piece of paper to a shirt. I mean, if this turns out cute, I'm just gonna hand wash it so that I don't have to risk ruining what I make, but we're gonna see what happens. I actually printed out a picture yesterday already, so basically I just went onto Pinterest and you can look up literally anything that you would want to put on a shirt. I obviously looked up our king, Harry Edward Styles, so I looked up Harry Styles aesthetic on Pinterest and I found this picture, which I thought would be really cute on the tank top that I'm gonna be using. So I just printed it out and here it is. The other supplies you're gonna need, obviously, some type of shirt. I'm just using a plain black tank top. I got this off of Amazon in a pack of 3. There was a black, white, and gray one. I'm probably gonna end up cropping this, but for the time being, I'm just gonna try to get the picture on there and then we'll reevaluate and we'll probably crop it. And then obviously a pair of scissors to cut out the picture. You're gonna need an iron. Make sure that there's no water in it, by the way. I'm pretty sure that's at least what you're supposed to do, because I know when you're ironing on transfer papers or patches, you're not supposed to have water in it, so I took the water out. Just need some cling wrap and also some parchment paper. The first thing that we're gonna do is cut out this picture. Here is our picture that we are going to be using. I have my little tank top here. I'm just gonna lay that down, just kind of flatten it out as much as I can. I kind of want it to be just like right here in the middle, so I'm going to take my cling wrap, just get a piece. I mean, from my understanding, you kind of just have to wrap the picture in the cling wrap. That's like really all I'm pretty sure that you're supposed to do. Okay, is that literally all we have to do? Then we just need to take a sheet of parchment paper and place it over the picture and then iron. I think I read that you're supposed to iron it for like 2 minutes. We are going to put a timer on for 2 minutes. Go. So this is what it looks like all done. I'm really nervous. I just don't know if this actually works. Okay, moment of truth. Oh my god! Wait a minute. So it's on there. I should have been a bit more careful with the excess cling wrap around the sides because I just am an idiot and I didn't even think of the fact that that would stick. So I can probably just go and like try and pick that off and clean it up a little bit. Or, ooh, maybe I'll get some like little jewels or something and kind of outline the outside of it. That would be kind of cool. This is what we have and I'm gonna crop it. So I'm just gonna use my fabric scissors and crop it like halfway down, maybe. Oh, not bad. So then we have this. Really not bad. So now let's try it on. Alright, so now we are on our final DIY and I have to say I am most excited about this one. Let me play the video for you guys that we are going to be following. So pretty much the concept of this is just the whole reverse tie-dye or like bleach tie-dye type of thing. I've actually never tried this before, and I feel like have you guys tried this before? I'm kind of curious because I feel like I've seen designs like this, but I never thought to like bleach stuff to tie-dye. I don't know, but I think that it's a really cool look and I really want it to work out. I am actually going to head outside to do this one because I am in no position to be working with bleach in my room. 1, because I'll probably pass out. 2, because bleach scares me, and 3, because I am messy and I'll probably get it all over my stuff. We're gonna do this one outside, but first I'm going to make my bleach tie-dyeing mixture. God, it's nice out. I should film more videos outside. I'm taking my shoes off. What the f***'s the point? I threw on some sunglasses because it's pretty bright, but it is beautiful. Oh my god, like clear blue skies, a nice breeze. I'm a fan of this weather. I have my bleach and water mixture. I was kind of expecting it to make more than this, but it didn't, so we might have to go refill at some point. And I just have this old towel that I'm gonna lay down to do this on. I didn't want to use a good towel for obvious reasons because then it would get bleach on it. Other than that, I only have 1 glove. I recommend wearing gloves when handling bleach because you never know. That stuff scares me. In addition, we're gonna need some rubber bands. Stole this from my brother. Thank you, Colin. And then whatever it is that you want to bleach dye. So I'm following the video and I'm gonna make a sweatsuit set. I just got these off of Amazon. Like I just bought a plain black crew neck and a plain black pair of sweatpants. The crotch is oddly long and I don't know why, but and then I decided I also wanted to try and do this shirt. I think that this would be really cool with this pattern. I haven't tie-dyed in a hot minute. Let's see what we can do here. Have our 3 things we're going to be doing. All right, so we're just going to begin, I guess. It's just running right off. Damn it. Everybody, here I am editing this video and I just never filmed an outro, so I'm here to wrap this up. That is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you stayed until this point in the video, comment down below I'm a real one because you're a real one. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post a new video every single Sunday, and if you forget that I post a new video every single Sunday, or if I have to like change my upload time, which I think I'm gonna have to start doing more of that. I typically post at 3 p.m. Eastern, but just things have kind of been hectic lately with school and everything, and it's the end of the semester, so we're gonna be getting into finals week soon. I might not be able to post exactly at that time, so just make sure to turn on my post notifications if you want to get notified right when I post a new video, whenever that is. Yeah, I think that's it. I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.